Hi guys, back with another video for you today. It's a quick video, very last minute. I'm going to let you know that we are dropping 20 more ScentClub kits and give you an update on what happened with the last drop and also what to look forward in the future. If you're curious to find out about it, then please stay tuned. Thanks so much for tuning in. This is Sebastian. Yes, ScentClub Kit number 3 sold out. I believe by Thursday of last week it sold out, and on Friday I actually went to Southern California, Newport Beach, and I was invited by Mind Games Fragrance while they were doing a, masterclass with the perfumer of many of the fragrances for this house, Christelle Leprade. I posted about it on various social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram. But wearing this as my scent of the day as well, it's a double attack, it's the chocolate one. So I'm a little behind. I just got back late last night, a little tired. I spent a whole day in Southern California yesterday as well. But I wanted to update you here. As I said, it did sell out on Thursday. We were completely done with 350 kits. And after doing the kits and packing them and everything, we have discovered that there's only 20 more left. That's all we can do. So as I mentioned in the previous video, we might be dropping kits 1 and 2 again. Absolutely not. So sorry about that. And this is the last time you'll be able to get additional kits from these first 3 kits. Of course, this is only kit 3 now, and then once we drop the 20, it's going to sell out and no more kits for the future as far as kits 1, 2, and 3 go. So the next time I will drop, or we will drop kits, will be kit number 4. Late January, early February, and of course, as I mentioned, it will be in the new designs. So these will be collector's items, obviously. This was the first test we did, and we realized that it was pretty successful because when we dropped kit number 1, we dropped with 250, and then we upped it to 350 on 2, and then we increased it by 25 more. We did a second drop, and then we were going to do 25 more here because we launched kit number 3 with the 350, but we've run out of kits, the supplies to go into putting the kits together, so we're only doing 20. But if you haven't bought it yet, please go catch it if you feel like it. The fragrances are Psychedelique by JOVOY, one of my favorites, really delicious, patchouli, earthy. Chocolate cakey as well. I've got ambery, balsamic, resinous touches in there, sweet. So when you combine those notes, you get this kind of chocolate cakey touch with that earthy patchouli. That's one of my all-time favorite fragrances, and I talk a lot about it. And number 2 fragrance in kit 3 is LAMAR by the House of KAJAL, created by Mark Buxton. It's a pineapple, amber, fruity, floral, amber fragrance, really delicious. It's sweet, it's tart. There's the addition of pineapple. In addition to the pineapple, I should say, I believe there's red berries and there's apple in there as well. So it's got kind of like this fruity amber thing. And just imagine, you know, cutting up some pineapple, putting some berries and chopping up or slicing some apples and then drizzling it with like honey or maple syrup or date syrup or something and then eating it. That's the kind of experience I get with the LAMAR. But just imagine, because it's not uber sweet, it's sweet, but there's definitely some fruity tartness in that fragrance as well, and that's what I like about it, because I like my fruits sweet tart. Really do enjoy fruits like that. I don't like them uber sweet, and I love that in LAMAR. And then finally, number 3 fragrance is from the house of SORA DORA. It's MANDORLE. It's a cherry tobacco, cherry almond. Also, I believe there's a bit of tobacco-ish touch in there because it's featuring Tonka beans, and then there's a booziness in there as well. The cherry note is not mentioned in this one. It's definitely bitter almondy, lots of almonds in this one, but I feel like cherries and almonds go hand in hand, or Tonka beans go hand in hand. That bitterness kind of brings out the cherry accord or something like that, because that particular fragrance definitely has a lot of cherryness, but definitely booziness as well, and very, very nutty almondy. So those are the 3 fragrances that were in kit number 3, and again, there's only 20. It will sell out fast. And then we'll be done with the kits. We're handing off the kits to be done by a third party, and there will be some changes going forward as well, not only by the design and the look of the kits. It'll be much better, much nicer. With this one, I have mentioned that we were kind of going towards like a Le Labo look. but it turned out a bit too antique-y, so the new ones will be fresh, modern, clean design, and can't wait for it. So this is coming into Thanksgiving week, so hope everyone has a great fragrance to wear during the holidays. And again, if you haven't bought your kit number 3, do it. This is going to sell out really, really fast. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for another video tomorrow, guys. Have a good one. Bye-bye.